People of Iyekogba communities and environs don't sit down block road with canopies for one peaceful we no go green movement on top the bad condition of the road, and say this demonstration are also to remind Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki of the promise wey he make to them concerning the road before dem join body campaign for am, and say now after dem elect am as governor over 7 years, he never still fit fulfill him promise to them. Youths, elders and landowners of Iyekogba talk say the road link about 42 communities from Iyekogba to Gelegele, and say dem don tire to dey suffer for the road, and say na God dey save them from the many accidents wey dey shele for the road. Dem come still talk say na beg dem dey beg the governor if dem offend am in any way make he try to forgive them, sake of say dem no get another person to cry out to, na im make dem dey call on the governor Godwin Obaseki make he come rescue them.
Wetin be the reason of this protest? Now this road when government abandon. Since the existing of this road, government never come this our road. Now we dey beg government make they come today. Now make us block this road. Make they come help us tie this road. Because apart from the entire community when they grade the road, government never come here. If election come, they come campaign, they come out, they promise us. Say they don't award us severally, not to come here. Now we say we will block them today. Government must come tell us as they want to do this road. The government where we don't know under government. Now Edo State will be. We not be Calabar, we not be Delta. The person we need make it come here, come help us do this road. We dey beg am. And our governor, executive governor Obaseki, now be our governor. Now make us come block here. Say don't come promise us severally. Say he go tie am. Last election he come decide say he want tie, he want send people come here, they come tie am. We don't wait. He no gree come.
I have a school down here and I pay my tax as a citizen of this state. We are living like we don't have a governor in this state. That is why today we come out to say no, enough is enough. We can't be living like an animal. There is scarcity in fuel. Yes, we know that. Fuel is expensive. Yes, we know that. You can't give two punishment to a citizen you say you love as a governor of a state. Hence, we cry unto you. If we are able to afford an expensive fuel, we should also have a good road to tag on it. We can be looking for money to buy fuel. We'll be looking for money to fix our vehicle just because of bad road. So we are out on a peaceful demonstration. Obaseki should come and rescue us. If you can't take care of children, you can't give birth to them. You are our father, so long as Edo State is concerned. So we want you to come and rescue and answer us.
Now because it's our road, now because we want to beg our governor, Godwin, in order to say Obaseki, to come to do this road for us. For many years, by this month now, that's 7 years in government. And when they campaign, he tell us say once he enter government, he go contact this road for us. Now we vote for them. As we vote for them, now they will see and reach. When they want to do as for assembly election, about 5 months ago, and Obaseki still come outside again, come campaign, say make we not worry. He say he pity for Iyekogba, say if we vote for him, he go do this for us. But as we talk now, he not do anything. If I go for that, man, I go video the road. That goal, he don't take like 2 people life when in the fall. He don't take 2 people life. People when they drive back, they carry load. As the water they flow, that's why they carry the matter inside Ogba River. So we don't know what we do Obaseki when we say when they don't tell us we vote for them, we don't vote for them. We don't know what we do. If we get the sin we will commit, make it forgive us. We the Iyekogba, we beg them. This November now be 7 years we don't for government. By next year November now it don't come out. And this road say go do. It not do. So we make them help us beg them. Help us beg our governor, make he come do this for us. Because we dey suffer for years. Today na be Ogba market. Our mama now, our papa, when they don't fit go market because of say road not good. No more to transport their goods to the market. So now make us dey here. We not come here come fight. We not come here come make trouble. The reason we dey here now make him know say yes. We dey suffer for this area. Now make us dey here.
Wetin I just want add for all this matter is that when comrade governor do this road reach here 15 years ago, we ask and say why you no continue the work enter the remaining communities when they front. The excuse when he give us now be say NDDC don dey work, they come from back. So now here he won't stop. And that excuse makes some sense. But what we are saying now is that after 15 years of Mr. Governor taking over from Comrade Governor, even if the state governor can't say things too hard for them, they no fit combine the work on this road, join other roads in 15 years. We expect our Mr. Governor to combine with other agencies of government like NDDC when the first talk say they do the road come from back. Thank God now an indigene of Edo State now be minister of NDDC. Even though we know say Mr. Governor and those people no dey the same party, but the Edo State now all of us get am. Now all our papa and mama they pass this road. The road no dey discriminate anybody. So we expect Mr. Governor to join forces with the NDDC minister by God's grace when come from this state now in the person of Engineer Momo. Make them continue the work when Mr. Comrade Governor stop 15 years ago. It's a long time. Picking where them born 15 years ago down the entire university. I beg, make it come to the aid of these people. That is what we are saying.
Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From Benin City, Ekata Ojesoli, TMC TV News.